Great Britain has suffered nearly 100 years of being below average. Since the 1900s, British riders had won just a single gold medal at the Olympic Games and never have had a rider win the Tour de France. Their performance was so poor that many of the top bike producers and manufacturers in Europe refused to sell their bikes to this team due to the fear that the British cycling team would tarnish their brands. In 2003, Dave Brailsford became their performance director. Brailsford came into his new position with a plan he referred as the aggregation of marginal gains, a philosophy of searching for a tiny margin of improvement in everything that you do. He said to his new team, the whole principle is an idea that if you broke down everything you could think of that goes into riding a bike and then improve it by 1%, you will get a significant increase when you put all the improvements together. What did he do? What changes has been made? Here are a few. Bike seats were redesigned to be more comfortable. Alcohol was rubbed on the tires for a better grip. They asked riders to wear electrically heated overshorts to maintain ideal muscle temperature while riding. The team tested various fabrics in a wind tunnel and had their outbound riders suit switched to indoor racing suits, which proved to be lighter and more aerodynamic. But they did not stop there. Brailsford and his team continued to find 1% improvement in overlooked and unexpected areas. They tested different types of massage gels to see which one led to the fastest muscle recovery. They hired a surgeon to teach each rider the best way to wash their hands to reduce the chances of catching a cold during event. They determined the type of pillow and mattress that led to the best night's sleep for each individual rider. They even painted the inside of the team truck white, which helped them spot little bits of dust that would normally slip by unnoticed but could degrade the performance of the finely tuned bikes. As these and hundreds of the other small improvements accumulated, the results came faster than anyone could have imagined. Just 5 years after Brailsford took over, the British cycling team won 60% of the gold medal available in 2008 Olympic Games in Beijing. 4 years later, they set 9 Olympic records and 7 world records at Olympic Games in London. The same year, Bradley became the first British cyclist to win the Tour de France. During the 10-year span from 2007 to 2017, British cyclists won 178 World Championships and 66 Olympic gold medals and captured 5 Tour de France victories in what is widely regarded as the most successful run in cycling history. How does this happen? How does a team of previously ordinary athletes transform into world champions? How? The coach Brailsford said, the whole principle came from the idea that if you broke down everything you could think of that goes into riding a bike and then improve it by 1%, you will get significant increase when you put them all together. Success is a few simple disciplines practiced every day, while failure is simply a few errors in judgment repeated every day. In any area, if you improve 1% on a daily basis, you will improve 31 times in a year. The reverse is also true.